You might not be aware of this, but there are some hidden signals in your body that control every aspect of your life. Whether you struggle with your energy levels, weight management, wonky periods, low sex drive, or lack of self-confidence, hormones control everything that you experience. And if you feel like you've tried literally everything and nothing seems to be working, then it's most likely time to check those pesky hormones. On this channel, I break down the boundaries that are keeping you stuck by sharing hormone tips, product reviews, and fun recipes so you can finally start making some progress on your own personal health goals.
Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be doing some gut health stuff, some more gut health stuff. Cheers! Pan de queso. Definitely not so. That's Spanish. Getting toe up on a Sunday. Oh no. Oh no. You know, I never thought working at Taco Bell would be so incredibly helpful at this moment. Today I want to talk to you about what a naturopathic doctor is. You guys want natural medicine, and you're stronger than you think you are. Find a physician that gives you what you want in your health. Ooh, there's a big B.
Hi, I'm Dr. Faith Coates. I'm a licensed naturopathic medical doctor that helps women reclaim their energy, naturally lose weight, and regain their self-confidence by optimizing their hormones. After graduating with honors from Southwest College of Naturopathic Medicine in 2018, I went on to specialize in integrative hormone therapies. Integrative medicine differs from your conventional medicine because it focuses on addressing the underlying cause of your symptoms, and then it offers far more treatment options than just medications, which gives you far more permanent solutions. And I adore helping women get their mojo back because many years ago, I was one of those women. I've gained and lost 100 pounds. I've bled for months after stopping about 10 years of birth control, completely lost my libido, and I was even diagnosed with SIBO, which is small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. It is a super unfun gut problem. After years of struggling, I was able to conquer my hormone issues and my gut issues, and now I use my personal experience as well as my intensive medical training to help people like you get control of your hormones without losing it. So if you're interested in learning about your own hormones and having some fun along the way, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and don't forget to check out the free hormone training videos I have available to help you go from fatigued to fierce without overwhelm. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.